rock and roll.
Hey guys, this is Up for Airsoft. This is the Well G55, or the Mp5k as people like to call it. This gun is pretty nice. I mean, the rate of fire is absolutely insane. 26.7 dBs per second. I had it chronoed yesterday. 320 average feet per second with propane. That was with 0.2 gram BBs. The build of this gun is pretty nice. It's all ABS plastic. But the crappy part about it is the mag. There's a few bad parts about this mag. One, the gas valve sucks. Number two, you can dump this mag in about a second or less than a second. It holds 24 BBs, I believe. But yeah, this is an open bolt system, which shoots insanely fast. I already told you that. I will make another video of me shooting this, but for now you're gonna have to wait. The sights of this gun aren't that good, if you can see them. Oh well. But yeah, the rear sight is absolutely horrible. Everybody's having problems with their rear sight. Oh, it's better. I can see now. Everybody's having problems with their rear sights. It's not wanting to function properly. But yeah, this gun is pretty much is overall pretty good. The one upside to this gun is in like 10 seconds you can have this whole thing disassembled. All you have to do is just pop out these little pins right here. Bing, bing, bing. Flip it over. Pull all of them out. And that's your whole system right there. It's not hard to reassemble either. It takes 20 seconds. Put all the pins back in. But yeah, I have made a silencer for this, since the only sound is basically coming out of the muzzle. I decided to basically get a piece of 1-inch PVC pipe, or I don't know if it's, yeah, I think it's 1.5 inch actually, my bad. And then I stuffed it, I put inside of it a 1/4 inch inner barrel. I drilled a whole bunch of holes, and I stuffed the outside with cotton, and I put it inside the 1.5 inch tubing, PVC pipe, I mean. But yeah, I'll get into that some other video. I'll show you guys how to make one. But yeah, this is the Well G55. Pretty nice gun. Definitely worth $100 bucks, whatever it is, $110. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is Up for Airsoft. Peace.